Welcome to this video about beautiful Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Christmas is a special time of joy, family and celebration. A well-decorated centerpiece bring warmth and magic to the dining table or living room. Today, I will share many creative ideas you can try at home. First, you can make a classic centerpiece using candle. Place 3 or 4 candles in the middle of the table. Surround them with green beans branches and add some red berries. These simple ideas give a warm and cozy Christmas feeling. Second, you can use glass jar or bowl. Fill them with shiny ornaments, fairy lights or pin cones. This style look elegant and is very easy to creative. You can match the color with your tree decoration. Another lovely idea is using fresh flowers, white lilies and red roses look perfect for Christmas. Arrange them in a vase and add small decoration like golden bells or silver stars. These give a fresh and natural beauty to your table. For a rustic farmhouse look, use wooden trays or baskets. Fill them with pin cones, cinnamon sticks, oranges and small candles. The smell will be amazing and it will remind everyone to Christmas tradition. You can also make a snow centerpiece. Take a bowl, add artificial snow, small Christmas tree and a little Santa or reindeer fingers. It will look like a small winter wonderland. Don't forget the table runner or base, a red, green or golden cloth under your centerpiece. Make it stand out even more. The most important thing is gravity. Don't need to spend too much money. You can use things from nature like pins, branches, dry fruits or even handmade crafts. This Christmas, try one of these centerpiece ideas. Make your table shine with beauty, love and the spirit of this season. Viewers, and Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Christmas is the season of love, light and family. A well-decorated centerpiece can change your wall look for your dining table, coffee table, even your entryway. Today, I will share many creative and easy ideas you can try at home. Candlelight magic. Candles are the heart of Christmas door. Place 3 gifts candles of different size in the center. Surround them with Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome to this video about beautiful Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, Christmas is a special time of joy, family and celebration. A well-decorated
simple but beautiful centerpiece
with warmth and magic
with
the dining table or living room. Today, I will share many creative ideas you can try.
Feel like a Christmas story comes alive. Naturistic and full of charm.
First, you can
Elegant,
make
glow and bright
centerpiece using
golden
candle blaze.
Creative a centerpiece with
3 or
golden
4 candles
white
in the
candles
middle
or
of
forest
the table.
green with a mix of spark and shine makes your table look elegant and festive, perfect for a magical
with
Christmas night.
branches
Nothing
and
says Christmas like a red train. This
simple
centerpiece
ideas give a
combining
warm and cozy Christmas
red
feeling.
berries, green leaves, and tall candles.
Second, you can
Timeless style that always brings
use
joy
glass jar or bowl. Fill them with shiny ornaments, fairy lights, or pin cones. This
turn your table into a little wonderland with a mini Christmas tree, centerpiece decoration with an ornaments, bow, and lights. It's cute, fun, and perfect for family gathering.
Another lovely idea is
Christmas
using
is
fresh flowers,
the
white
centerpiece bring the
lilies,
magic.
and
The
red
candles
roses
look
perfect for Christmas. Arrange them
ornaments of
in
light, nature,
vase
beauty, and a touch
and add
of
small
spark.
decoration like
For
golden bells
cozy Christmas
or
dinner.
silver stars. This give a fresh and natural beauty to your table. For a rustic farmhouse look, use wooden trays or baskets. Fill them with pin cones
to your table like beautiful centerpiece. Here we
oranges
combine
and small